Alright, so let's see what's inside the DevaBhaasha box. First up, you can see the set. Pull off the elastic and you can see 4 quick start guides. The quick start guide tells you how to get started with the game right off the box, gives you clear instructions. It has a front side and it has a back side which tells you how you can get started with the game. You also have the logical error, which is a tent shaped card that has to be kept in the center of the gameplay. Then you have the rulebook for those inclined to read the rulebook. You can also read it, or rather see the rulebook easily on our YouTube channel as well. We've got all the rules on video. We also have 4 copies of the game map, which has a front and a back side. The front side shows you the combinations that you can use with the symbols depicted on the cards. The back side shows you a relatively simpler version of the same, using sentences to make it easy to comprehend. And then of course you have the 2 card sets, which is the yellow box and the blue box. The yellow box has yellow cards, as you can see. The blue card has grey cards and blue cards. Out of these, the grey cards are optional cards which you can use in advanced gameplay, but for the basic version you only need the blue cards. So that's what you have inside the DevaBhaasha box. Blue cards and yellow cards. You have the logical error card, you have the game map, you have the rule book, and you have a quick start guide. So that's what you find inside, and that is DevaBhaasha for you. Collect cards, make sentences, gain points.